So, guys, this is since less people have joined, so this is going to be a discussion session from previous topic, like whatever I have covered till today. You guys may ask your question one by one. I'm going to respond here, and now recording is also started. Yeah. Then,
Sir, good evening. Yesterday, you have put the tolerance group,
yeah.
and you have mentioned your group TZ1, but I am not able to who you have allocated with that your TM33, sir.
TM33. Okay. So it means you're talking about like I have created certain tolerance group, right?
Yes, sir.
But assignment was missing, right? Is this the question?
Yes, sir. Because I am not able to assign my company code with this one. And,
Okay. Okay. Guys, can anybody tell me that in tolerance group assignment is required or not? Where exactly are we assigning the tolerance group? Anyone?
Company code level.
Company code level. Okay, let's suppose I have created a tolerance group, right? OBA4 is the transaction
Yes.
code. So after that, where we have to assign this? Okay. So I'll tell you guys.
It has to be assigned to the employee with name and everything.
Okay, that is correct. So employee in the sense users, right? But if you talk about the company code, guys, tolerance group, no need to assign to the company code. Why? Because if you have a look in tolerance group, what we have done, guys, tolerance group is going to be created against company code itself. So assignment is
Yes.
happening at the first is then and there is happening, right? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's pretty simple, guys, the logic.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Is it fine for other people or for everybody it is breaking, guys? You
In
can
between there was a break, but now it's fine.
now it's fine. Okay, great. So guys, the meeting was scheduled, but all of a sudden I received the message they have cancelled. So I got the notification. I couldn't check the reason and all. Somebody might be unavailable, and from client side only it was cancelled. So I thought that okay, still we are having some half an hour, 45 minutes. So at least we'll discuss something. Okay, so guys, OBA4. Atik, you just see here and you tell me what is your query. So mine is like TM33. TM33, right? So look at here itself. I have created this TM33, right? So the company code, it is created against company code itself, right?
yes, sir. I am. Yes, sir.
So assignment is not needed, dear. Assignment means here the assignment itself happen here, right? Here itself the company code, this tolerance group, blank tolerance group I have created for this company code. But yes, there was a logic behind the. Are you having any question related to this? Any other questions? I, th I think any question like
No, sir. Sir, only is that one. Yesterday you have put in group TG3, sir. And I
no,
don't know who
that was I'll tell
created
you,
it.
that is a kind of example I have given, right? Example in the sense I'll tell you the purpose behind creation of tolerance group is like to apply certain control on the employee. Some people like let's suppose there are a group of people A, B, right?
Yes, sir.
So these all are ground level people. For these people, let's suppose if you have to put a limitation in the sense like let's suppose we are going to apply limitations that these people cannot post invoice which is more than 1 lakh. right? Or 5 lakh. So how it is going to happen, guys? So we have to create a tolerance group. Okay. So I have quoted an example TG, let's suppose TG1 or TG2 or TG3. So this is the code. This is the code, right? 3-digit code
Oh,
or max to max 4-digit code,
okay. Yeah, yeah.
right?
It means that it's not necessary to put this one group code, sir.
Group code is not necessary. See, I'll tell you, generally, if you are going to give a group code here, then against this group, you have to assign your user ID. Now, if you are going to
Okay,
keep
sir.
your blank, then no need to assign the user ID. So why I said like you have to keep blank, because you guys are going to set up multiple company codes. Somebody's are going to create 2 company codes. Somebody's are even creating 3 company codes also. So if you have already created a group for, let's suppose, this company code TM33, right? So against this group, you have assigned your user ID. Other company codes, for other company codes also, if you are going to create a group, so in that case, there'll be a challenges. So for that, what solution I have given? I have given a solution that against, let's suppose, a group we have given TG1, right? So TG1, against TG1, we are going to assign the user ID, right? So for Tata Motor, we are going to give this TG1 code. Even if you are going to define other company code also, the tolerance group for other company code also, same group you have to use. Then it is going to be, right now, some confusion will be there for some of you, but don't worry, guys. You just do one thing, you keep this tolerance group field blank only.
Okay.
Anyone is having any confusion, guys? Anyone is having any question here?
No, sir. Clear.
Clear, right? So let's
Yes,
suppose,
sir.
okay. So now here my question is, okay, I have created for Tata Motor. Let's suppose this is Tata Motor, TM33, Tata Steel, TS33, Tata Chemical, TC33. And here I have given tolerance group TZ1, TZ2, and TZ3. So this is our company code and this is our tolerance group, right? Now, so here the question is, let's suppose you are the user, okay? So, and you are responsible to post transactions for Tata Motor also, Tata Steel also, Tata Chemical also. So will you be able to post the transaction?
While posting the entries, we need to select respective company code and post the entries.
No, dear, that is not the question. What I'm saying, I have created like these three tolerance group, right? You have created. Let's just assume that you are having 3 company code you have created. And for every company code you have created, these 3 tolerance group, right? 3
Yes.
tolerance group. Now the question is, so you are trying to post a transaction, right? So can you post a transaction against all 3 company code or against only 1 company code or against 2 company code? That is my question.
Yeah, we can post for 3
Only
company codes.
one company.
Only one.
Only one
Wait.
company code we can post.
Zafar
Only
is
one
saying
company.
only 1
Only
company.
only one because we
Why?
already our user ID is assigned one group now. So one user ID can only assign one group only. It's not able to assign more than one. So that's why.
Okay. So if I have assigned my company code, my user ID against this tolerance group, so it means I'll be able to post a
Group
second Tata Chemical, right?
only for yes sir. If you want to post for TM33, yesterday you told no the same logic. We need to create TG3 for the company code for TM Tata Motor, the same group for
Okay. So
TG3.
now, so that is what I'm trying to explain you guys. Tolerance group we have created, right? 3 different tolerance group we have created, right? But so once you have created the tolerance group, you must have to assign your user ID. My user ID is Kumar01. So one user ID you can assign against only one tolerance group. You cannot assign this user ID against multiple tolerance group, right? So the problem is if you are having different tolerance group code you have given, then there will be a problem, right? So instead of that, better to give a same code against all company code. And then what is happening, guys? This TG1 against TG1 we have given, this user ID we have assigned. So this one is also TG1 itself, this one is also TG1 itself, right? For still, if somebody are having any problem, guys, practically also I can show you guys. Once like few more sessions are supposed to be given, after that we'll post the transaction. I'll show you the logic. It's pretty simple. Okay, so this is what is happening now. Somebody, okay, now somebody tell me, guys. Let's suppose, okay. Now, once we, what is the use of field status group, guys? Can anybody tell me? What kind of control is going to?
Field status group, we control the transaction field while posting transaction.
And field status variant?
Field status variant contain many field status group.
Okay, anybody want to add anything, guys?
Yeah, we can suppress and we can keep it option by the help of this variant.
You can suppress, you can make optional, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I said, like, what is the difference between field status variant and field status group?
Field status groups are contained in field status variant, I think.
Field status group contains?
No, field status variant contains field status groups.
Okay. Anything? So that answer was already given by Momita here. I have seen she's written field status variant contains field status group, right? So yes, of course, like field status group generally that it is there in field status variant itself, right? So if you say like field status variant control the fields of transaction posting, right? Or else like field status group is going to control. Okay. Now here the question is, and what about the posting key, guys? Someone tell me.
Posting key is client level settings, and field status is company level setting.
No, the question is like, okay, what kind of control is there at posting key to posting key?
Is same while we posting transaction, we can control the fields while yeah.
Posting keys is used for the controlling of transaction like debit and credit. We can allocate,
Mm-hmm.
we can identify through the posting key.
Okay, so debit and credit side is going to be decided with the help of posting key, right? And if we talk about
Yeah.
control, guys, so control means it's going to control the fields also, right?
Yeah.
Going to control the fields also. And what about document type?
Document type control the number ranges and control two fields in header data, reference and header field. These two
Now,
fields are controlled by document.
okay, now I'll tell you guys, fields are getting controlled by document type also. Fields are getting controlled by posting key also. Fields are getting controlled by field status variant also. Is there any differences between all three?
Yes, sir. Document type will control only two fields in header data. One reference field and another is text header text field.
Mhm.
Between posting key and FSV, there is FSV is a company level setting. Posting key is global client level setting. That is different between two.
Mhm. Okay, so yes,
Document type is also a client level setting along
document
with
type is also
posting key.
client level setting, and posting key is also client level setting, right?
Yeah,
Field
only
status
field status
variant.
variant is company code level setting.
Okay, how you guys are going to decide which one is client level setting?
Client level settings
Posting
are applied for all company code. Sir.
Even if you
it
talk
will
about
be
field status
predefined.
variant, that is also going to assign against multiple company code, or even you can assign against all company code. Somebody wanted to say something?
It will be predefined, right, sir?
No, dear. Predefined means we cannot say like predefined settings are client level setting, right? So I'll tell you, don't worry, guys. Some of you, whoever the first timers are there, don't be confused. Now I have created field status variant. Field status variant. After creation, it is going to assign to the company code. We have created like, let's suppose, what to say, posting period variant. After that, it must be assigned to the company code, right? We have created this fiscal year variant. That is also must be assigned to the company code, right?
Yes, sir, I got.
So this is called company code level setting. Now,
Assign.
what you got? Tell me, dear.
So whatever the assigning to the company code level, it's like under comes the company code level, which is not assigning to the company code level. It will be directly client level. Is it my understanding right, sir?
This is what you have to say. So the company code, this is called, see the field status variant. I have created like any field status variant. TM33 itself, I have given the code, I think, for not for field status variant might be TM33. So whatever field status variant you have created, guys, that field status variant cannot be used unless it is going to be assigned to this company code, right? Posting period variant also after creation you must have to assign. Fiscal year variant also after creation you must have to assign. After assignment only it can be used, right? So this is called company code level setting. This is called company code level setting. What about the client level setting? Let's suppose document type. If you are going to set up a document type, no need to assign this document type to any company code. Posting key. We have not created any, but whatever the posting keys are available, those posting keys are not going to be assigned to any company code. So what is happening? It is client level setting. Okay, it means this document type, even multiple other configurations also will come into picture, guys, later. Right now we are having very limited number of example to go, right? But later once we'll proceed further, there are multiple topic and multiple example you guys will be having. So this document type and posting key is a client level setting, right? So guys, whichever client level settings are there, those settings can be used by any company code without any assignment, right? Okay. These field status variant, posting key, field or fiscal year variant, these settings also can be used by multiple company code. But that can be used by only after assignment. Without assignment, it is not possible, right? So don't be confused, guys. I have seen on, like if you're going to check the uh, certain, what do you say, on Google, if you're going to find, right? Multiple people have given multiple confusing answers. Somebody are saying field status variant is also client level setting, right? But no, logically, there should be some logic. How can we say which one is client level setting? How can we say which one is a company code level setting, right? Client level setting means, let's suppose if you guys are able to remember, when you log in, you are going to give your user ID, password. But apart from this, at upper side, you'll be finding a number 800. That is called client. Look at here. I'll just do one thing. Look at here, guys. This is called client. So client level setting, right? This 800 is the client code, right? Say for example, we are having, under this client, we are having 200 company code. Inside of this 800 client number itself, we are login, right? Client is the higher level. We can say in terms of hierarchy, right? The highest level is a client itself. So you are login to a particular SAP server. So very first screen itself, client 800 was there. So inside of this client 800, we are having 200 company code, right? We are having 200 company code. So now what is happening, guys? Field status variant I have created, right? This field status variant we have assigned to company code A. Then what is happening, guys? Of course, only company code A itself can use this field status variant, or this field status variant is for company code A itself. If other company codes are also going to be assigned, guys, it's okay, no issues. Even if you want, you can assign whole 200 company code against same field status variant. It is possible. We can assign, right? But still we can't say that now this become a client level setting because every company codes are using this one, right? Guys, every company codes are using how? After assignments only they can use. Without assignment, it is not possible. But if you talk about document type, all 200 company codes can use a document type, any document type, whatever document type is created. All the company code under that particular client can use this document type. At the same time, all company codes can use the posting key. So look at here, there is no assignment here. But for this one, assignment is required. So this is why it is called, this is company code level setting and this is client level setting. Okay, that is what the difference is. Okay. Someone tell me, guys, what do you mean by greenfield implementation?
Fresh.
Don't have legacy system.
Anything, guys?
If an organization,
No, I could not. I could not able to hear you.
They don't have any legacy system like in implementing for the first time, whether they don't have any type of um, any type, no. They don't, which company doesn't have any kind of software?
Okay. The software is called what?
Legacy system.
So again, tell me the definition. In a systematic way, guys, you have to say, right? Some arrange the sentences in better way. Okay. Tell me, Sweta.
Yeah.
Tell me now. Now you tell me the definition once again.
Okay, greenfield implementation is where which company doesn't have any software, anything as such. Wherein brownfield implementation is like they have some software and that software is moving to SAP.
Okay.
They're moving their data to SAP.
Okay. And even I got some other definitions also here from Fahad. First time fresh installation of SAP is called greenfield implementation. Even brownfield implementation also will be the same thing, dear, right? First time implementation of SAP. Brownfield implementation also same definition, right? So you must have to add certain things, right? So now, of course, whatever Sweta has said is correct, but still, what I wanted to hear from you guys, okay? Now I got some more answer for the first implementations from legacy system to SAP system. Brownfield implementation when they are already a legacy system installed. Okay. Yes, this is what. This is how you have to say. Okay, Venus is saying like but in brownfield implementation there is a legacy system. Yes, yes, most of you are giving the correct. Only like what you have to say, see, fresh or first time installation of SAP. It's called implementation, right? So this definition is applicable in greenfield also, brownfield also. The only difference is you have to add one more word that in greenfield no existence of legacy system, whereas in brownfield there will be existing legacy system will be there, which is going to be replaced by SAP, right? This is what we have to say. And can someone tell me the cutover activity?
Cutover activity is like um, they'll give like 3 days gap for the client to move to transfer the data from legacy system to the new system.
Okay. Okay. What about cutover date?
The day when they stop the posting any transactions in the legacy system.
Mhm. I got certain response here from Raj. Cutover date is the particular date from which the data migration is about to be started. Yes, from the date, the date from which the data migration is going to be started, right? Okay. So, guys, okay, now, okay, now tell me, guys, one thing. Okay, who is going to prepare a blueprint, guys? Consultant or a core team member? Okay, I have received two answers. 50-50. Jafar is saying consultant. Naveen is saying core team member. Praveen is saying consultant. So let's have a voting. Then Mamita is saying both together, right? So just like elections and all, right? Two parties, oppositions and like this one. In between nota is also there, right? So that is called. Okay. Any question, guys? In between, like if anybody is having any question, tell me.
Sir, I have a question. This is, this is regarding I saw on internet once that some tickets were being resolved by consultants, FICO consultants. They were using like some ABAP language. They were using and they were doing this. And I mean, user exits. They were performing some user exits using
That is
ABAP language.
last year.
What
This
what is
question is
that?
too early to ask. Right now, if I'm going to respond you, other people will be confused, right?
Okay,
So you
okay,
have to wait for this one.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Hardik is asking, sir, which topic you are teaching? So, dear, there is no any topic today. Simply, it was a kind of discussion session. It was a kind of questionnaire session. I just put certain questions in the topic which I have covered. So nothing. There is no any topic I have covered today. Okay, and guys, tomorrow there won't be any session because my son's birthday is there tomorrow. So tomorrow will be, like we are inviting very less people only. But still, tomorrow there won't be any session.
Advance happy birthday to your son.
Thanks, thanks. Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. But Praveen voice is breaking. What about other people? Raj is also advance happy birthday. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Thanks, everybody.
Or I have one question.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, everybody. Thanks. So Fahad is asking how old he is. That fourth year. Now this is the fourth year. He become 4 year old. Okay, so okay, guys. I think Fahad, you have already seen him, right? You have seen, right? You're there, like when he came to meet.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
He
I
was
was just wondering how old is he? Yeah.
now he fourth year as like.
Okay, great, great, sir, great.
So okay, guys. Since he is staying in Hyderabad, so that is why he came and he meet me. But of course, like you guys are staying at somewhere. So people, the only advantage is like people who is there in Hyderabad, they can come, they can meet. Sometimes like people, because of COVID, earlier I used to meet the people and all. Because of COVID, like we have to take some extra, what do you say, care, guys, right? Because mask and everything, right? So that is why. So take care, guys. Then once again, thanks to all for your wishes. And tomorrow there won't be any session. Day after tomorrow onwards, we'll continue. So see you guys day after tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.
Good day, sir.